Top 10 expensive cruise ships in the world. Number 10. Queen Mary 2. $890 million. Number 9. Disney Dream. $900 million. Number 8. Quantum of the Seas. $935 million. Number 7. Disney Fantasy. $940 million. Number 6. Anthem of the Seas. $940 million. Number 5. Ovation of the Seas. $1 billion. Number 4. Norwegian Epic. $1.2 billion. Number 3. Harmony of the Seas. $1.35 billion. Number 2. Oasis of the Seas. $1.4 billion. Number 1. Allure of the Seas. $1.5 billion.